Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Shortcuts and tapping plus to create a new shortcut. This is where you'll wrap the target app. Next, add the Open App action and select the app you want to relaunch with a custom icon. At the same time, prepare the image file on your iPad. 180 x 180 or larger works best, and transparent backgrounds look cleaner. Once done, make sure the image is in Photos or Files so you can assign it quickly when editing the shortcut's appearance. Now you build the shortcut. Tap the action to open the app and confirm it launches the correct target. Then tap the three dots, choose Details, and select Add to Home Screen. This converts the shortcut into an app-like icon. You'll see a thumbnail, tap it, then pick Choose Photo or Choose File to load your prepared image. Crop if necessary and press Add. This places the custom icon on your home screen while the original app stays in the app library. Finish by arranging the new icon on your home screen, and if you prefer, move the original app to the app library so you only use the custom icon. Make sure you allow any permission prompts shortcuts requests, otherwise the shortcut may fail to open the app. If the icon displays incorrectly or doesn't update, recreate the shortcut and reselect the image. Sometimes clearing the Photos app cache or restarting the iPad forces the new image to appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.